what is the push-pull of oil right now, given a recovering super boom for the developed world?
Hi, everyone. So I think the issue today in oil is still this excess inventory and excess spare capacity. But importantly, in a matter of months, this will dramatically change. We're on this cusp of a meaningful increase in oil demand as the world reopens, and supply just won't be able to keep up. So inventories will draw down sharply. They're already mostly normalized, so we'll have a tight physical market. And OPEC will need to bring barrels through the rest of this year and next year, erasing spare capacity. So, the market has rallied somewhat year to date, but we think there's another meaningful leg higher here.
And the somewhat is critical. And if you do a set of outcomes, you've got this scenario, you do 6-8 scenarios. Give us not a single estimate of what Brent crude will be at, but the set of choices you have of where Brent crude is a year from now.
So our forecast is $75. The risks around it, of course, first and foremost, is vaccine inefficiency potentially on significant new variants. That is an environment where the demand recovery is slower. You still get underinvestment on the supply side, but it's a more progressive rally. We'd still think price is above 70. The risks then could also be that the demand recovery is even larger than we expect, right? We expect jet to take quite some time to recover. EM demand to be more of a 2022 story. Once vaccination logistics are in place, they're scalable, right? So we've learned that in Europe, in the US, you could also see upside surprises in demand, at which point, this lack of spare capacity becomes quite problematic. Iran's a bit of a swing factor. If Iran's not back fully next year, then we're talking 85 and above Brent prices. But importantly, in most of those cases, because we're seeing binding underinvestment, because we're still seeing sequential demand recovery, next year's prices will be higher than today's spot price.